When you think of frogs, you might envision cute little creatures hopping around your backyard or serenading you with their croaks on a warm summer night. However, not all frogs are harmless. Some can be downright dangerous, and today, we're diving into 3 species that you should definitely keep your distance from. Buckle up as we explore the world of these intriguing yet perilous amphibians. First up is the Budgett's frog. This frog is not just another pretty face, it comes with a warning. If you accidentally touch one, prepare yourself for an ear-splitting scream that might just make your ears bleed. Yes, you heard that right. This frog has a vocalization that is so loud it can be quite alarming. If you find yourself in the unfortunate situation of having picked one up, the best course of action is to drop it into water immediately. This will help calm it down. Remember, the Budgett's frog is not just a loudmouth, it's a reminder that nature can be full of surprises, some of which might leave you wishing you had stayed away. Next, let's talk about the American bullfrog. This is not your average frog, it's a beast that demands respect. Forget about merely touching it, you'd be better off avoiding it altogether. These bullfrogs are known for their highly aggressive behavior. If they feel threatened, they won't hesitate to attack. What makes them even more dangerous is their sharp teeth. Unlike most frogs, which have a soft bite, the American bullfrog can inflict a painful and dangerous bite. It's crucial to remember that while frogs may seem small and harmless, the bullfrog is a prime example of how appearances can be deceiving. Keep your distance, and let them be. Finally, we arrive at the poison dart frog. This little creature is by far the deadliest on our list. If you touch a poison dart frog, you certainly won't live to regret it. Its toxin is so powerful that even snake venom pales in comparison. Just one touch can have fatal consequences. Fortunately, these frogs are mostly found in the Amazon rainforests, so unless you're trekking through South America, you're probably safe. But if you are in their territory, remember, the bright colors of these tiny frogs are not just for show, they serve as a warning to stay away. Touching one could lead to a regrettable encounter with one of nature's most potent toxins. These 3 frogs serve as a stark reminder that nature is not always cuddly and cute. From the ear-piercing screams of the Budgett's frog to the aggressive bites of the American bullfrog and the lethal toxins of the poison dart frog, it's clear that some frogs are best admired from a safe distance. So, the next times you're out in nature, keep these frogs in mind. They may look small and harmless, but they pack a punch that can leave you in big trouble. Stay curious, stay safe, and always respect the wild world around you.